First Timothy 4 verse 12. Let no man despise the youth, but be thou an example of the believers in word, in conversation, in charity, in spirit, in faith, in purity. That's the message of the Lord for you today. That God doesn't want you to be despised of other people. And God doesn't want you to live life full of darkness. And God doesn't want you to begin again in doing the dark attitude and in doing sins in your life. And God doesn't want you to keep on being mad. And God doesn't want you to have a bad attitude. But what God wants is that you have to live in His words and to have a good attitude, because that's the attitude of God. So thanks for watching, and God bless you all.